Now, this might be a great feature to roll down your windows during a hot day or for a number of other convenient reasons on your 2022 Honda. But what if the key fob buttons were accidentally pushed while in your pocket and the windows went down and left wide open overnight, or worse, during bad weather? Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate this automatic window feature. Since I posted my video on how to roll down and open the sunroof from the key fob, I've had a number of requests on how to turn this feature off. Reason being is that this feature was accidentally activated and vehicles were left unsecured. So this is a very easy process. Turn on your infotainment system. Scroll to vehicle settings. Select door window setup. Scroll to remote window control. Scroll and select off. Then return to home. Now let's test it. Press the unlock button once, then press it again and hold it until the windows go down. And there you can see nothing is happening. You've successfully deactivated the key fob from remotely rolling down your windows and opening up your sunroof accidentally. The system is completely off. There you have it. Never again will your key fob open the windows and sunroof on your 2022 Honda. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.